And we seem to be on a roll doing some baking soda in the carpet test with bagged machines. I have so many of them I need to catch up on now since I've got my scale. So let's take a look at this 2012 Simplicity Symmetry. And doesn't that look nice? So I really like the red. Well, that's pretty cool. So this machine has extremely harsh bristles. As a matter of fact, early in my YouTube career, I nicknamed this one the Shredder because it definitely does that. Really, really harsh. So it did really well with the sand pickup a number of years ago, I guess now, the last time I did that. So let's see how well it does with baking soda. 10 grams over there. Let's go ahead and get the initial conditions for the bag. And we'll take a look at the underside of the power nozzle when we're done so you can see the bristles. But I've got a lot of videos of this machine on my channel. Okay, initial bag weight. I have a tiny bit of house dirt in there. When I say tiny, I mean like 6 grams. Something very small. 47.6. See, 66, 67. Okay, bouncing around a little bit. Well, when you have a scale that can read down to 0.01 grams, sometimes it's difficult to get a good reading. All right, I'm going to say 47.66. We'll go with that. And let me reset up the camera and let's get started. I just bet this machine's going to do really well with this test simply because the agitation is so high. But you have to remember, with high agitation comes high carpet damage as well. Alright, carpet easily swallows 10 grams of baking soda. Away we go. Very, very easy to push forward. Extremely easy to push forward. Almost goes by itself, as a matter of fact. Bag makes a pretty good fit in there. Get the measuring board. See, I think you can see that. All right, pretty good. Back it back over here. Started out with 47.66. Anticipation mounts. What will it do? I bet you it's going to be really good. Smash that down on there. Ah, it is really good. So, let me get the calculator here. And we're going to do, once we can decide what number we're at, 56.2, I'll say 56.27. Got to pick something. And then 47.66. 56.27, okay, yep. And we got 8.61 out of 10 grams. Of course, that would mean 86%. So that's really fantastic. Now that is raw pickup, and just like the Hoover Tempo wide path, certainly we'd have to subtract a few percentage points because it's going to be picking up carpet, guaranteed.